Welcome to our video on the Ice Age, one of the most fascinating periods in Earth's history. Today, we'll be busting 5 common myths about the Ice Age that just aren't true. From dinosaurs living during the Ice Age to freezing conditions covering the entire planet, we're going to separate fact from fiction. Stick around to learn what the Ice Age was really like. Myth number 1. Dinosaurs lived during the Ice Age. One of the biggest myths is that dinosaurs roamed the Earth during the Ice Age. This is completely false. Dinosaurs actually went extinct about 65 million years ago, while the Ice Age began only about 2.6 million years ago. Instead of dinosaurs, the Ice Age was home to massive mammals like mammoths, saber-toothed cats, and even giant sloths. Myth number 2. The entire Earth was frozen. It's easy to imagine the whole planet covered in ice, but the reality is different. During the Ice Age, large parts of the Earth, especially around the equator, remained ice-free. Only about a third of the planet was covered by glaciers, and many regions experienced cold, dry climates, but weren't necessarily buried under ice. Myth number 3. Humans didn't live during the Ice Age. Many believe that humans couldn't have survived the harsh conditions of the Ice Age. However, early humans not only lived during this period, but also adapted to the cold. They developed tools, clothing, and shelters to survive. In fact, some of the most significant advancements in human history occurred during this time. Myth number 4. It was just one long freeze. The Ice Age wasn't a single, unbroken stretch of freezing temperatures. In reality, it was marked by cycles of glacial and interglacial periods. This means there were times when the ice sheets advanced, followed by warmer periods when the ice retreated. These cycles could last tens of thousands of years. Myth number 5. Ice Age animals were all huge. While it's true that there were many large animals like mammoths and giant sloths, not all Ice Age creatures were massive. There were also smaller animals, including some species of birds and rodents, that adapted to the colder climate. Size varied greatly depending on the environment and survival strategies. Another common question is what actually caused the Ice Age. It's important to know that ice ages are triggered by a combination of factors, including changes in Earth's orbit, atmospheric conditions, and even tectonic shifts. It wasn't a sudden freeze, but a gradual process influenced by many natural phenomena. As we near the end of our myth-busting, let's talk about how the Ice Age came to a close. The Earth's climate warmed due to changes in its orbit and increased levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This gradual warming melted the glaciers, leading to the climate we experience today. The Ice Age dramatically shaped the planet's geography. As glaciers advanced and retreated, they carved out valleys, formed lakes, and changed coastlines. Some of the most recognizable landscapes, like the Great Lakes in North America, owe their formation to the Ice Age. The end of the Ice Age also coincided with the extinction of many large mammals. Scientists believe that both the changing climate and the arrival of human hunters contributed to the disappearance of species like the mammoth and saber-toothed cats. Humans played a more significant role than previously thought. So, to recap, the Ice Age wasn't home to dinosaurs, didn't freeze the entire planet, and was far more dynamic than a single, long winter. Early humans lived through it, and not all the animals were massive. Understanding the truth about this period helps us appreciate just how resilient life on Earth is. We hope we've helped debunk some of the common myths about the Ice Age. If you enjoyed learning about these misconceptions and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Next video.